spoon. Splash, splash. Splash, splash. That's what I'm using today. Don't stick your finger into the bag. But in a few days you'll have a lot of mold on your cheese. Let's break up your cheese like that, okay? A little bit here, a little bit there. You might be wondering why there is a sheet of baking paper at the bottom. It's because the wife requested it. And actually, now that I think about it, it makes a lot of sense. Real corn chips. It makes a lot of sense because the acids from the salsa would interact with the aluminum in a bad way. So, more salsa. Alright. A bit of moisture from this is important. Let me see. Oh, it's looking good. It's looking good. Fuck it. Just lash it in there. It's grand. Okay, bit of sour cream for later on. Oh, shite. Forgot the chilies. Okay. Jalapenos. Jalapenos. So there's the jalapenos. Just chop them up like that, okay? Alright, apparently they're fine. Just gonna mix it up a little bit like that. Get the chunks up high. Alright, cool. Alright.
I think we need to wait for this thing to come up to like 1,000,000 degrees. So much noise from traffic. Alright, here we go. See how we get on. Very hard to see what's going on. Oh, Jesus, it's burning. Fucking hell. That was quick. Holy shit. Whew. Gotta keep an eye on this fucking thing. Let's turn it around, see what happens. My Jesus. Seriously, it takes seconds. It takes seconds to burn stuff. As I said, it takes seconds to burn stuff, and I have successfully burned stuff. Mission accomplished. Okay, so I'm in the process of making a video, and this happened. Basically, highly oiled nachos cannot go into a really hot oven. They literally catch fire. The stuff around the edges is